I want to go over PowerPoint a little bit. The issue with that is that every version is a little bit different. So as you look through my tutorial, most of you have used PowerPoint, so hopefully this isn't going to be a huge leap for you. But as you look through my tutorial and you listen to it, be listening for the actual terms, because a lot of the functions are still the same, they just might not be in the same place. Okay? So just a little bit about PowerPoint. The first thing you want to do when you're creating a PowerPoint is you probably want to pick a design. So these are the tabs up at the top. Each tab has different tools. So I'm going to click on the Design tab, and then yours will look different maybe, but depending on the design you choose, all slides will go to that type of design, and you can create your own design if you want, but for the purposes of this assignment, I just want you to pick a design to work with. Okay. Once you've picked a design, it's probably going to come up with a certain template, or it's going to look like it might have a title box, text box, and so you can change those by deleting them, or on the Home tab you can drop down layout and you can pick a different layout. Like you can go to blank to where you add your own text boxes in, or pick one that's already there. So I'm just going to go over a few little things, and then hopefully you can come up with just a quick PowerPoint that you're going to use as part of another assignment. So in here, all your text options are right here. You can change your font size. Remember, you want a nice size font size at a minimum of 18 or larger. And you can center it. That's everything here on the Home tab. On the Insert tab, I just want to point out a few things. A lot of times I'll use clip art, so if you click that, your clip art tool will come up and you can decide what you want to use by searching for it. Also, you can insert a picture if you have some pictures saved to your computer. Not all versions have the screenshot option, so I'm not going to really go over that. If you want a hyperlink to get to a website, you can do that here. And I think that's all I'm going to go over on the Insert tab. We're going to go now to Transitions. This is just transitions into how one slide goes into another slide. So if I click Flash, that's what it would look like. So you can look at those. Animations are what happens on the slide. So if I do that, it's the way my text box will fly in, but I don't want to attach any, so I'm going to get rid of that. You can play your slideshow. I use the buttons that are down here, and this is the slideshow button, so I just click that when I'm going to play a slideshow, but other people find easier ways to do it that they like better. Okay, one other thing that I want to talk about is over here. So you can click on these and delete them. It'll take you to whichever slide you want. You can right click and you can add a new slide in. When you are done, you're going to save it. So you do File, Save As, and then you would name it. For the assignment that you're going to do, you're going to save it to your desktop, because what you're going to be doing is adding it as a Google presentation that will put it on the web and make it available to everyone. So look at the assignment requirements on Moodle so you know exactly what I'm looking for.